Hello, welcome back. So in this video we'll be discussing the history of terroir and which agronomists kind of contributed most to it. So we'll be discussing Theophrastus, as he's always kind of like our basic person to build off of. Then we have Varro, Columella, and Pliny. So Theophrastus did understand certain types of terroir, so he understood the importance of aspect. He understood that when taking a slip from a parent plant in order to graft it or replant it, that it had to be what he called correct natural circumstances. So to him, what natural circumstances meant was whether it was grown facing north, south, east, or west. So he kind of had the directional idea down, but there's a lot more to terroir than that. So then next came Varro, and what Varro did was he kind of explained moisture content. So what moisture was in the air and what you should do to vines in general based upon that. So he explained that if there was a lot of moisture in the air, the vines should be trained up. They shouldn't be left on the ground. They should be kind of raised on stakes or on trees or something like that. So that was important as well. But then building off of that, we have Columella, who kind of went more into detail. And he said, it's not just about having moisture and then the specific what you should do to all vines, that you should take certain varietals and plant them in certain areas with different moisture conditions. So he explained that varietals could be broken up into thin-skinned, huge grapes with not a lot of seeds, and then these small, tough-skinned grapes with tons of seeds. And what he wanted was for the areas with a lot of moisture to not have the very thin-skinned grapes, but to have these kind of thick-skinned, tougher grapes to deal with, and vice versa. So that was an interesting distinction that he made. And then furthermore, Pliny then started discussing here, I have the quote for you. It'll make it a lot easier to understand. So Pliny explained that a variety which is covered with down in the young state does not object to cold situations, and nevertheless no others rot more quickly from rain. So this is interesting because now we're not only getting into the kind of characteristics of varietals, but like specific varietals and if they were susceptible to rot or mildew or things like that, and where they should be planted. So I hope you found this interesting. It's a quick, a very quick and very focused history, but I hope you found it interesting, and I'll see you in the next video.